Hi guys, so today we're going to play some Beastron. I already played some like 2.5 hours ago or something. We're just gonna grind. I already have my backpack full, so I'm just gonna use the honey leaf maybe. Hopefully it's thing. I actually am able to do this now. My brother was an amazing teacher sometimes, and so I was able to do this now because I have the propeller hat and I have the hiking stinkies. They're brown. I don't know how to show them to you guys. Okay, how do I move? This feeling of using shift lock. Damn, I hate this. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's just grab. There we go. Do you see those things? Yeah, that's what I use. Sorry, guys. Now let's go over here. Let's check that. See? Getting all the leaves are very important because sometimes people can even get mythic eggs and literally any eggs from leaves. One time I literally got a magic bean from leaves. They're like super good leaves. But it's pretty darn rare to get something overpowered. But still, just do it. Gotta. Let's go over here. Get to my character. God dang it. Oh, wait. You know, I'm just gonna need to get new characters. Savage. Oh my god, I have a lot of tickets. 60. No, 62. I guess I'm gonna go by a house.
First is Royal Jump. First RJ.
Okay, first I'm gonna use Royal Jumps. My brother's like so good, so he's just forcing me to choose that to help me. Which beach should I put it on? You guys do much. Okay,
Just use a fire bee jelly on it. Fire bees.
okay, let's just go like that. There we go, you're a fire bee now. Hee fire bee. Oh my god, I don't really have that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. What do I do with that?
Just keep it.
Rotational beam. This is useless to me. I don't care about no charms that much. These snowflakes. Snowflakes are very good right now. During Christmas. So collect them all you can, boy. I wish I had more it's better, but you know, sometimes you don't have what you really want. But you just gotta be with it. Let's go this way. Here we go. Ba-da-boom, 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 ba-da-boom. And jump right in here. Just kill this Dumbo Rhinobeetle. Yay. Yay. There we go. Thank you for dying. Because now. There we go. Boom, ba-da-boom, ba-da-boom, ba-da-boom. What is this? Let's get a boost. Should I use the boost right now? Oh wait, I'm gonna need to get Global Wand because that's what they need for this. Guess we're gonna use a boost because you have time until you can use red. Here we go. I'm not good. I can't find it. I'll just use a blue extract. So I have bamboo. Oh my let's go. There we go. This way and go like this. Oh my god, it keeps just dying, disappearing. Sad moments. You know, I have to go in bamboo, but first let me just kill these dudes. There we go. Bamboo field. So let's just kill these mobbies. I do need house shots. Wait, on which? Oh, I remember. Guess we're gonna go to the 25 base. This way. Damn, I only have one box for quick. And it's for vid, so. Oh, good job. Mod 4165. Okay. I actually had, before I made this channel, I had 800 Robux, but then I used it. I think I met 415 thing. You helped me reminded me about getting all this stuff. Ooh, kind of feast. Oh yeah, I forgot what a feast is. I actually already made one of the vids, but then it failed, so sadly I can't. See here, about 20 minutes for that. Let's go over here. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, I was not expecting it to be that much money. But here we go. This way.
Go ahead and hatch it.
Guess I'm gonna hatch my... I'm gonna hatch my silver. Bro, I'm slow. Wait, which one's better?
Gold, but yeah, just use silver.
I mean, I already know which one's better, but like, I'm trying to show you this. I guess I'll just use gold. I don't know. Bruh, fire beef. I'm using my silver, I got that. Is that fine? Okay, I guess I just wasted it. Too bad. I just wasted a gold and a silver egg. Good job. Round of applause for my sad moments. Bro, my channel should not be a V-Storm or a Roblox channel. It should be a comedy channel. Yeah. Here we go. Grinding. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of SD Middens and and all the V-Storm, but I don't know too much about Gamiden's channel though. Not much about his channel, but on Discord I actually talked to SD Middens, and then she actually said, and I said I'm a big fan, and then she said thanks to me. Like, she literally responded. Like, insanity. Oh my god, the Godfrey's actually gonna use a boost for once. Wait, what level is that, bro? What the heck? Oh my god, this dude's so annoying. Oh my... Bruh. Lag death. Coming back. Come on, bees. Kill this moron. Oh my god. No. I'm gonna do this. Oh, seriously? No, 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 no. Bruh. Hate the snowbird. Hate the snowbird.
Cactus.
On, can you come to that field? We need to kill that bear.
Can't kill no bears.
I'm a YouTuber, bro. A YouTuber. Focus is super good when you're fighting mobs because it goes, oh my god, no, 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 Snowbird, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. So annoying, bear. So annoying, bear. Oh my, I need to come to Spider, quick. Because I have a Snowbear mine. It's level 7.
I can kill it right now. Where'd you spawn without even knowing?
Dude,
Just went over there. Oh yeah, spawn. I can do this.
I want my friend with me, but
I can't even solo.
damn it.
Come to Dandy.
My YouTube channel name is retro_king. Retro again. YouTube. Channel name. There we go. Okay, hopefully it subs to my channel and stuff. And you might watch my channel, hopefully. I don't know if he's surprised or not. Probably not. I'm not even famous at all. So bad that you don't. But it's fine. Jelly beans, jelly beans. Nope, can't. Oh, got him. Got him. Boom. Peppers. Bamboo. It's going down. Oh my god, I got much off task, so let's just finish this boost. Bamboo, guys. Oh, come on, boom. Gotcha. This is like so good, so I like, love it. So good for grinding. Bruh, there, boom. Okay. Whenever I make a vid, I need to put on some beats from volume, like 1%. Right here, it says volume 1. Because if I don't, then you guys can hear my freaking, like keyboard. Because I don't know how, but sometimes it keeps. Because whenever I finish my vid, I always watch it until before I don't really grind that much on mountaintop because I don't Don't know why. But yeah, I guess I don't grind too much. Normally I don't use red boosters because whenever I use blue, they always do really so I'm very bad at I can't remember. But I only almost over. Like 2 minutes left, so it's happening again. You're also in my bed. There you go. They responded back. Are they like fans or something? Okay, so never come back. Like I forgot my password and then I lost the account because I accidentally because someone can get my account. I didn't know my password. And goodbye, it went. That's all that. Sad moments. Some jelly beans. Nice. Can't get them right now. Okay, here we go. We're going to Mount bouncing, boys. Oh, okay, spider, you're weak. I'm a spider. You're so weak. You're good contact, spider. Good contact. What's how all the night like take comments, things, and bobs, you know. Oh, and I really want to get 1,000 subs because then I can do a face reveal for you. So, 1,000 subs, please, 1,000 subs. I already have like 10 subs that are just for my friends who are like actual people. But like, die. Oh my god, an aphid. An aphid. Dude, an aphid spawned from a freaking leaf. Oh my god, what the heck? That's like so rare. See what I mean by leaves, guys? See what I mean? Aphid. Aphid. Oh, hi on. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh my god, we barely killed it. Thanks, son. Yay, we killed it. Whoever did all the work, guys. Did all the all. Too easy. I know y'all. Boom, 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 boom. This way. Wait, no, I need to go down to top. One more haste token. Haste token, bro. Haste token. Boom, boom. Let's go, boom, 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 boom. Guys, so maybe we'll see you guys next time. Well, we will see you guys next time. So, see ya. Bye.